buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to pay BIR payment via MYEG. There are times that BIR payment via Gcash directly are not available, so we will be using MYEG. We will be putting the link on the description box. First thing that you're going to do is log in or register. For convenience, you can click Continue with Google. Once you are redirected here, just click Menu, Government Services, and BIR Online Tax Payment. Then you will be redirected on this page. Just click Pay Taxes Online. After that, you need to input all the details here. If everything is okay, click Next. Then input your email address. Click Next. Double check all the details, and if everything is correct, tick the box on the left side and click Confirm and Pay. You will be given options here, but since the transaction fee using card is higher, we will be using e-wallet. Just tap that. Then choose Gcash. You can also select other e-wallet depending on your preference. After that, click Proceed. Then you will be redirected here. Just tap Open Gcash or scan the QR code. You will be automatically transferred to Gcash app. Just log in, then double check the amount and tap Pay. And we're done. You can just download the receipt or screenshot it as proof of payment. You will also receive an email just like this. You can print it out and attach to your documents for filing.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.